Hello. Today I'm gonna play Midnight Snack. I'm sort of just like running through these games that I have here, that I got for videos, because I have nothing better to do. I don't even really know what type of game this is. I'm gonna assume it's a horror game because that's like what I picked mostly. But we'll see. Okay, let's just play. Lately, I've been waking. Okay, bitch. Should I let it like come out so I can read it? But I guess not. I'll heat something up in the microwave. Oh, wait, continue. Wait, am I the microwave? Can I move? Oh my. What are these mechanics? This is so stupid. This is so dumb. What is this? Okay. Okay. Hello? I'm so confused. This is such an interesting mechanic. Like how to walk and shit. You're just dialing on a fucking microwave. This is so weird. I've never played a game like this before. There's just knives and utensils on the floor. Okay. Bones. Where do I go now? There's where I go. Fat ass log in the way. Okay, guess I have to go around it. No, I did too much. My bad.
Hey.
What was that? Actually scared me. What the fuck? Just some red eyes in the forest, and I'm over here like clenching my cheeks. Got it. And what's that fucking? That much of a bitch. Damn. Some spaghetti sauce on the ground. Nothing special. Somebody was cooking up something. Oh, fuck. Goddamn. What is that? Oh, there's flies. Is that supposed to be meat? I don't like that you're not really able to move your thing while you're walking. But you know what? It's fine. Are those police? Like... Ew, bro. What the fuck is that? Is that someone's intestines? Fuck. It's disgusting. Hey. Something wicked this way comes? I don't know what that is. I didn't even turn to look at it. I don't think I want to. About the content. What is it?
Hey.
What the fuck is that? Go, bitch! I did it. heart? What the fuck? Okay, what? That was such an interesting game. It wasn't. It was a lot shorter than I thought it would be, but you know what? It's fine. That was such interesting mechanics on how to move and look around. You know what? That was fun, I guess. I had fun. I think I need to look for some more games soon because I'm running out. Not really. I still have these to make videos on, but I don't know. That was really short. I might do another upload after this one today because I've got too much time on my hands and I just want to be productive, you know? That was low key a fire game. It was short, but you know, that's better for me, I guess. Less editing to do. Even though I'm not very good at editing, I still try. But you know what? I'll definitely make another video on something today because I've got too much time on my hands and I want to get some videos out. Alright, bye.